Hi, welcome or welcome back to this YouTube channel. I am so happy to record this wonderful video for you, and today I'm going to be showing you what Notion is, how you can use Notion, especially the free account, and if you are a service-based business owner, then this video is for you. And before we get into the meat of the video, kindly take some few seconds to subscribe, hit that like button, that share button, turn on your notification icon so that you do not miss any latest video from me. I record tutorial videos and I keep it as simple as possible so that you understand and you'll be ready to implement. So thank you so much for tuning in. And I want to talk to you guys about what Notion is. As you can see here, I've already logged into my account. And if you want to get into Notion, you just type here notion.so/sign up. For me, it's going to take me right into my dashboard. As you can see here, I'm already logged in. So when we talk about Notion, as you can see, it's still a very new account. I've not yet done anything inside of it. I opened it so that I can show you guys the basics of Notion. So Notion is an all-in-one digital workspace. Guys, when I tell you you have Google Docs plus Trello plus your spreadsheet plus your Dropbox all in one, then that summarizes Notion, and it can still be more because it has combined all those apps into one. It lets you stay organized in your business, manage your clients, store your documents, note taking, track your tasks, and keep everything in one place. So I want to show you guys what we have here. On the left side of my page, as you can see, you have just I've not yet added anything, guys. And as you can see, we have all this good stuff here where you can search. You have your home, you have the meetings, like you can even you can set up your meetings here. Notion AI, let's say you want to build a project management hub in a new page, it's going to show you how, and not only will it show you how, but it will even give you what the page that you're looking for. You have the inbox where you get your notifications, then you have the getting started, and getting started, basically here you're going to see this pop-up of the new AI chat where you can ask your questions. Here is where they are going to show you, like so you've already created an account with Notion. So here they're just giving you a tutorial where you can click anywhere below, you type the / button, and you're going to see whether you want to create a page, a quote, a bullet list, a heading, all that good stuff. And you can also, so this is basically what you're going to see once you've logged in. So now that you've already done that, let's assume that you've already walked through the tour of Notion in your account. So how then do we now start building a page, especially as a service business? So as you can see here, we have this heading here. It is labeled private, and you can, instead of going to this page, you want to be neat and clean, you can click here and select add new. And because this is basically for a tutorial purpose, I just want to show you guys how I do it personally. So you are going to select on empty page. So you're going to be asked to, label your page just for you to know what you have on this page. And I'm going to label this as Business HQ. So this is where we are going to be having, our business details, like we are going to create a task list, a client database, and all that good stuff, basically. So what I'm going to do here is, you see under here, when I left click, it's going to bring this pop-up. When I was here, it did not bring, but then when I come here, it's going to bring the pop-up, and I can either click on this plus button, and so for me, I want to create another page, a new page under that, and I'm going to label it as my task list. Okay, so then I'm going to, you see here, now that is a sub page under my main page. Then I'm going to go back, and I want to create another sub page. So the other way you can add an item under on this line is by typing the /. So you do this, and it's going to give it, then you can start maybe, a page. So in my new page, I'm going to label it as my client database. So when you go back here, you can see I have my task list. So under here, I'm just going to put basic examples, like maybe checking emails, updating my calendar, just basically anything that comes in mind for you as a business owner. What do you normally do in your business before serving your clients? What are those administrative tasks that you do? Do you have meetings? Do you check your emails regularly? Do you post on social media? So these things, you just list them, and then after you've already listed everything is part of your task list, then you can go back and rearrange. But because this is for tutorial purposes, I'm not going to go into it that much. I'm just walking you through. So when you go here to client database, as you can see here, I've just clicked the client database, and you can see here I have Ask AI meeting notes, but for me, I want database. So in this database, because of time, I want to build it using AI, and I want to build a database for my clients that has the client name, service type, project status, what else, due date, payments. Let's say you are an agency, like assignee, who are you assigning the task to? So all that good stuff, guys. So yeah, then once I'm done, I'm going to click on this blue thing here, and let us see what Notion is going to build for us. So the reason as to why I've used AI is for all those people who want to save time, you don't have the time to try to start creating and looking through the templates, then that one is for you. But as I told you, I want to keep this video as brief as possible. And yeah, this is what we have. This is what we have. And this is just an example purpose. Don't worry, you'll be able to, like, just look at how amazing this thing is. Like, it has noticed that I did not include the contact email or the contact phone or even the notes. Then I can click on continue. So the good thing with this is that it has just given me the build up, but of course these are not my real clients. So if I want to change the name, I just click here and maybe say my company, Adonai Digitech Hub. So what is the service type? I can say maybe marketing. As you can see, you just click there. You can, it depends, like maybe you're a virtual assistant, you'll want to add virtual assistant. And if you do not see it popping up, you see they have that option of create. And yeah, that's it, guys. I'm going to go more in depth in the upcoming videos, but I just wanted to just highlight for you how you can build a page, which I've already shown you. You go here, you select, you create like a page, you label it. You can even add a cover. And yeah, they have many prepositions, or you can even upload your own. They can tell you either to use theirs or to upload your own, or to use Unsplash for pixel free for free pixel images. And maybe you can copy, you can paste an image link, you can upload, you can use whatever it is that you have. Remember, the goal is to stay simple and organized at the same time. So that's a quick overview of how you can use Notion to build your page, your private page, where you store up your client information here. And of course, depending on your likes, I've just put it as simple as possible. Depending on what you want, you can always add more things down here depending on the type of business that you have. But don't worry, because this was just an introductory video to show you what Notion is, how to create a page, how to log in, how you can use Notion to create a page, to create sub pages, to add descriptions under those pages and sub pages. So thank you so much for tuning in and for watching up to this time. And if you want a full Notion business setup or templates, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple how to tech videos. Stay blessed.